Hello, this is a recording to demonstrate the automatic cover letter generator project I made. So there are three files here. One is the script for the program I made, one is a template, and one is a spreadsheet. Let's take a look at each. In the template, you have these placeholders for the things that you want to change for each document you generate. For example, date here is replaced by today's date every time the program runs. Similarly, with the name of the company, the name of the contact, and so on and so forth, and they are surrounded by hashtags so they can be recognized by the software. Secondly, we have the spreadsheet. So if we wanted to generate 4 different cover letters for 4 different companies, we would just type in the names of the companies, type in the names of the positions, the job IDs if we know them. If we do not have a job ID, we can just type in D and the sentence will be adjusted accordingly in the cover letter. Similarly, with the contact name, if we have one, we can type it in here. If we do not have one, we can type in D and it will replace the name with just dear sir or ma'am. And so now we can just go ahead and run the script, and we can see that it also organizes the files for you. It creates these folders with the names of the companies, and if we go inside them, we find first docx where it filled out today's date and all the correct details like we wanted from the template. And since most places I think recommend submitting a PDF for your with your application, it also converts it into PDF, and this is the saved version of the PDF. And it has done this for all the companies, and so this saves us a lot of tedious work in managing folders, managing cover letters, and maybe making errors. Everyone I know has at least once made the mistake of putting in the wrong company on their cover letters, and this also saves you a bunch of time. This took us 30 seconds to generate 4 cover letters, which might take over 5 minutes doing by hand. Um, so that's document automation in general. This can also be used for maybe legal paperwork. So if we have a template like this, maybe a lawyer can replace, a shareholder agreement with the name of the shareholder, the name of a company, and so on and so forth in their documents. And they can just add new columns in the spreadsheet for the things they want to routinely replace. And once they type it in, all their documents would be generated. So that was my demo. Thank you for watching.